Several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone are produced by option A fallopian tube. It is incorrect because it is responsible for the transport of egg and fertilization, but it does not produce hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, or progesterone. Option B, pituitary. It is also incorrect because pituitary does not produce these hormones. Option C, ovary. Now, the ovary produces estrogen and progesterone during the menstrual cycle and early pregnancy, but it does not produce HCG or HPL. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, placenta. Placenta, which is a temporary organ that forms during pregnancy, produces several hormones like HCG, that is human chorionic gonadotropin, that maintains the corpus luteum in early pregnancy. Then HPL, that is human placental lactogen, that prepares the mammary glands for lactation and regulates maternal metabolism. Estrogen and progesterone, that maintain pregnancy and prepare the body for childbirth. Hence, it is the correct option.